Hello Somas, welcome to my Monday update, and hello to my new subscribers and followers. Thank you so much for joining me. And today I'm going to be sharing what is in store for my classes this week. And at the weekend I taught my first class for my new intro series, Intro to Somatics series at Central Wellness, and it was just so lovely to meet a group of, really attentive and proactive somas in wanting to improve their health and well-being. And it was amazing. One lady joined, and when she came in, she had a cane with her and she needed help using a chair to get down to the floor. And after the first series of movements, we came back to standing, and she did not need the help to use the chair to get up. And she was you could just see that she was able to move, kind of to twist, to bring herself back to hands and knees to get up to standing in a much more easy way. And she couldn't believe it. She said to me at the end of the session, I don't have to live with this stiffness. And that's what fills my soul. That is what I love so much about this practice. So at the weekend, so I had that on Saturday morning, and then Saturday afternoon I met up with my girlfriends who I'm still friends with. We went to school with each other. It makes me quite emotional because I feel so lucky that we have that together. And we all went and spent an amazing evening in each other's company. And I am really tired today because it was a late night. Lots of laughter, great food, not too much alcohol. We were all very subdued, but it was really subdued in that sense, but it was a really great evening. But I don't know if you find this, if you ever go away and you spend a night not in your own bed, and it's just not as comfortable as your own bed. You don't have the right pillows, and the mattress isn't right for you. And I was sharing a bed with my friend as well. And I just woke up in the morning and I felt all cranky and not right in my neck and shoulders. And then the drive back, my car has a lumbar support in it, which I can't change. So, and those lumbar supports don't really support your back at all. They kind of make your back lazy, but they fix you in what we refer that kind of green light reflex where the lower back arches. It's stuck in that arch. And so when I got home, I kind of felt all kind of arched in the back and creaked and not comfortable in my neck and shoulders. So this week's practice is all around how to relieve that tension in your back and any crankiness in your neck and shoulders. So I really hope that you can join me. Again, if you are new to Somatics, I do recommend that you start with my beginner series, and then from there you can then join my weekly classes. And I'm also sharing in my newsletter, so if you're interested in learning what I share more each week, I'm sharing a fantastic podcast talking about feeling and using our senses more to stay in the moment. And this is what our somatics practice enables us to be: present in our body, present in the moment. So not only is that, amazing for your physical self, but it takes you out of your headspace. It's like a whole hour of mindfulness. So you are a different person when you come out of the class. And that's why my somatics practice is so important for my health and well-being. It's why I don't, it kind of goes a bit awry at the weekend, but at the week, I really do enjoy my practice. And I practice before I go to bed. It kind of resets me before I go to bed. Anyway, I hope you can join me. I hope you have a great week. Take care of yourselves, and I will be in touch. See you next week.